1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you hear me. I hope you can see me. And today we come back to our streams. I hope that it will help you to trade a little bit, guys. So until I start and until I'm waiting for you, I can tell you that I was on vacation, a huge long vacation around the world, and I was traveling a lot. So I didn't have that much time to trade with you online. I didn't have that much time to make videos. I was able to work for my Russian trading club, and this is the Russian Trading Club Pro. And also I made some videos for Russian YouTube channel because there I have a lot of people, the huge community that trades every day, so they need me. And here I didn't have that much time to be with you. That what I do have plans to stay here on YouTube longer. So yeah, I can see that I'm online already. Right now I'm in one of my new offices, and I'm planning to come back to Dubai in around like maybe a couple of weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna have more time for videos, but since today I'm planning to make daily videos about the market. I'm gonna wait a little bit until you come, and there will be more people, and I will start talking about the market. Well, as you can remember about my YouTube channel, I'm making videos about trading ideas. I give you entry point, I give you target, I give you the take profit and stop loss prices where you can earn money based on technical analytical researches that I do on daily basis. But last like 4 months I was making it moreover for myself, but not for you. I hope that in the nearest future you are gonna get what I'm doing, and stay with me on daily basis. Okay, I'm gonna check you guys. And so if you have any ideas about, like, you want to talk about gold, or you want to discuss the Brent oil, or you want to discuss euro dollar, you're welcome to write it here. Just write down like, oh, come on, let's talk about this currency pair, and we'll do that. To right now, as you can understand, American session is online, and market has been really high volatility. But market is really good right now, really good, technically good. So I'm going to show you what I see, what I like about it, and you're welcome to write down the comments under the video. Write comments what you want to talk about on my next video, because I can go online maybe at around 2 o'clock tomorrow. So it's not something like I have the schedule that I'm gonna plan with you right now. Maybe in a couple of weeks we're gonna get scheduled with you, and you will know when to be online for sure. Okay. Well, I like onlines because this is important for us to talk about the market right now, and you can enter market right now. So I think this is a really helpful situation. Okay, I'm gonna start to show you some technical ideas, and let's start from American dollar index. This is American dollar index, the 4-hour chart. As you know, I do trade on charts, and I really like to use 200 moving average. I like to use stochastic oscillator. I like to use trend lines when it's possible to use trend lines and to trade them. I also use the Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci levels, and all about Fibonacci. So I think it's really helpful. And yesterday on my Russian YouTube channel, I made I gave trading ideas, so I made a prediction about the market, and people earned on gold, on Brent, on American dollar index, on euro dollar. And today I'm gonna update information here and talk with you about the market. So I hope you also will learn and earn on that. About American dollar index, right now you can see that market is being the price is being on 200 moving average, but it does not mean that you have to enter market right now. When you can see that here is a trend line, like a really strong trend, maybe on 4-hour chart, maybe on 15-minute chart, but this is the trend. Now all the extremes go up step by step. The first touch of 200 moving average is a really good sign for us to work the rebound. But if you see that market is being in a range, this is not a good moment to use the 200 moving average. So right now, what I can talk about is that price is being on a tendency line, trend line or tendency line. Tendency is some short and trend line is some long. So here the price is being on a tendency line and they're trying to show us a rebound. Does it mean that we have to buy right now? I can show you a little trick after which you will understand when you have to enter market. You make a new trend line on 5-minute chart, 5-minute chart. So I found tendency line here on like 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart from September 14th. You can see this tendency, it's going up. But right now they are giving us a rebound. Do we have to enter market right now? Do we believe that market will go up? You gotta make filter, you know, so not to enter every rebound. Like you want to go long with American dollar index, you have to wait until they break the previous tendency, and only after that you can be sure that market is breaking the previous tendency, so the buyer is really strong and you can go with the long positions. Why I discuss long positions? Because if you go back and you check on the daily chart, if you check the situation on daily chart, you can see that from the beginning of this year, from the January of 2021, American dollar index is showing us a correction, upgoing correction, which may bring us to 93.80 level and even to 94.60 level. It may bring us until they didn't break all this upgoing correction. We still can see this price until they didn't break this upgoing correction. That's why I discuss with you opportunity about new long positions. Discuss opportunities. It does not mean that I have to enter market right now, and I do believe that we have to trade. We are trying to find the best entry point that will help us to understand that we can earn here. It's not about just trading, it's about earning all the time. So what we need to do with American dollar index right now, it's we have to see that price is breaking the downward tendency, and only after that we can enter market and so buy American dollar index and go up. Until that time, it's still dangerous for your deposit. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Oh, hi. Yeah. So what do we do next? We take into account euro dollar. If we decided that we may buy American dollar index later after they break it, let's check what's going on with the euro dollar. I would advise you to go on for our chart, and now I'm gonna open some trading terminal that you probably have never seen, and it's something that I used to trade with. It's something that I used to analyze with, so that's why I show this trading terminal. Look here. Current price 1.1720. It's something like a good level of support from March of this year. It is a good level of support. But do they give me a signal to buy right now? How we check? We make the tendency line and we see that current price is still under the tendency, under the downgoing tendency, so they're not giving us a good buy signal yet. If we try to find some level of support which is lower than current price, you go back to October of 2020 and you can see that there was a good level of support around 1.1620. So this is a level of support, and that's actually something I'm waiting for. It does not mean that I'm selling right now. It does not mean that I have to sell euro dollar. This is something I'm waiting for based on technical idea. But it does not mean that I have to do that. What I'm gonna do, maybe they show me a good level of they show me a good situation to sell euro dollar from here, from the tendency line, so I may expect that they will go to 1.1620. Okay, this is one option. Second option is they are trying to break 117 as a level of support, and they go under 117 on 1 hour chart, and after that I go down and sell to 116.20. So this is a wide technical picture and for our chart. Let's go to 15-minute chart. what it looks like. Am I right? Is it possible that it will happen? Let's check. We go to 15-minute chart, and here we can see that stochastic oscillator is being on a level of resistance. Okay, good. What else? I use those dynamic lines. So this is like envelope. So this is my personal trading system that I use with the 200 moving average, with the 400 moving average, and so on. We'll talk about it later. On this channel, we will discuss it. Maybe in October, we will discuss my trading system. It's not a huge secret. I will share it with you for free. I think this is a good idea to do that. So here, right now, we are not getting a good sell signal. There is no good sell signal. But we can see that stochastic oscillator is being on the top level, so it may go down. How far and when, we have to decide. Well, what I'm going to do, I open 1 hour chart and I make this tendency line. I just want to know where it is on 1 hour chart and on this chart. I check on 30-minute chart. Okay, I'm fine with that. So it's like the level of resistance 117.70. 30 pips higher than current price, so it's really far from here. Let's check on 15-minute chart. Yeah, it's still far, but we can make a new tendency line right here. Oh, you see, they broke it. Right now they broke it. What it means? It does not mean that we haven't. It means that we don't have a sell signal here. Right now we don't have a good sell signal. So only if you decide to sell right now, you have to put your stop loss above 117.80. That's it. I think it's not good. So it's not like a good deal if you trade with the short positions right now. So your stop loss is around 40 pips. It's too much. What should we do? If we sell right now, stop loss to 117.80. It's far. So we can enter market when they give us a rebound from here, or they give me the break of this tendency line, and after that I enter market. This is an option for me. That's what I'm gonna do. So I don't like to sell right now because the current price is far from a good technical level of resistance, and it's far from technical level and the trend line. So I'm not okay to sell right now. I don't like it. It may go down. Even right now it may go down, but I don't like to trade right now. We can try the 5-minute chart. Yeah, the stochastic oscillator is also on the upper side, but you can see that price is being above 24 moving average. I don't like the situation. I will never sell when it's like that. I need to see price to go under the 200 moving average, under the 2400 moving average. So it's 24 moving average. So it's not a good moment right now to sell. What I'm going to do, I'm going to check on 1-minute chart. And you can see that price is being on a local support. It starts to break the 24 moving average, but it didn't break the 200 moving average. So I don't like it right now. I'm not gonna sell right now. I'm gonna wait. Either they break the tendency line, or they break the 200 on 1-minute chart, and after that I can pips. So it's like to trade intraday. Only after that I can try to trade and sell this currency pair. Other way, I still expect that they may go to 117.70. So and I will try to sell from there. And based on 4-hour chart, you can see that this is an opportunity 116.20. If they break this tendency line, they will go far to 119. That's why it's much better to wait until they give you a good trading signal. I hope you understand what I'm talking about, and it helps you to understand what's up with the market. Okay, so we can go to gold and discuss some gold situation. Well, what's up with the gold? As you know, I go on weekly chart and show you the technical picture on weekly chart. I hope you missed me, guys, because I didn't do it for a long time. The technical picture mostly didn't change a lot. So what you can see here, from the August of 2020, the tendency is going down. So the price is still going down. and an opportunity for this market is 1680. This is the first sell target, and after that 1550, the second target. This is only technical option. This is not sell signal. This is only the technical picture that may happen due to the fact that we see right now. So let's go to check on daily chart. What's up? We go back to daily chart, and this is the level of support, which is based on Ishimoku cloud. The level of support is 1746. Okay, price went here once, and now it's coming back the second time. So under this level, they will go to 1715. You gotta be ready for that. So under this level, they will go right here. What does it give me? First of all, yesterday we were selling from this point. Look here. I'm sorry, I'm sick a little bit. So yeah, yesterday we were selling from this point. And right now, we can open new positions only under this level of support. Okay. Why? Because like 3 days ago, that was a good level of support, and market didn't go through that. So only after they break this level of support, you are welcome to open new short positions on 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart. If we talk about the daily market, you are welcome to sell right now, but your stop loss goes above 1775. You don't want that kind of stop loss, I know. That's why I'm telling you that you can open new short position only after they break this level of support, and you gotta have a really short stop loss. About the people who want to buy right now, I don't support that idea. By the way, gold may try to reach even this 1760 level, but I do not support an idea to buy right now, and because I don't see the buy signal. They may test the level of support, they may give you a rebound, but right now I don't see that. That's why I'm trying to base my trading ideas on some that I see on daily chart. And on daily chart, I see this downgoing tendency with an opportunity to 1715, so 1715 and lower. I hope you understand the technical analytical researches, so it helps you to get a clue what I'm doing here right now. If you have any questions, you're welcome to ask them, and I will answer my answers after the online. Okay, we can talk about the silver, because this is something I'm going to sell. Look here. Last week we had short positions. Yesterday we had short positions. But what's up right now? Should we buy or should we sell more? What I'm waiting for is the level 22.50. So I'm waiting for market to break this level of support. After they break it, they're okay to go down to 22 level. After they break the 22 level, they may go to, let me show you, I know my targets. They may go to 20.80 level. So this is something I'm expecting for the silver. So I don't have buy signal right now. No matter that price is being at a good level of support, it really is. If you go back to a history of last year, you can see that that was a good level of support once. That was a good level of support twice. And right now, market is being as a like as something that it gives you a rebound. It's been on a level of support the third time. We should expect that they will give us a rebound and upgoing tendency, but right now we don't have a good buy signal. That's why we may expect that under this price they will go to 22, 21, 20 levels. So what I'm waiting for, I'm waiting market to break this level of support, and only after that I enter with new positions and go to 20.80 level. 20.80, so you can check later if it happens and what it looks like, but right now I don't see a good buy signal. If you ask me what's up with the long positions, like when do you see a buy signal? First of all, they gotta break the 200 moving average on 15-minute chart and 30-minute chart and 1 hour chart. They have to break this 200 moving average. After that, good, you can enter market and buy silver. Right now, they're not showing a good buy signal. You can go back to discussion about the euro, and you will see that they and euro dollar, they have to break all those tendencies, after which we understand what we do next. So here it's kind of the same. You gotta see how they break this previous tendency, how they renew the maximum price, and only after that in 1 hour chart you can enter market and go up. Let's talk about Brent. For Brent, there is nothing new actually. Look here on daily chart. We go back on daily chart, and what I think about the Brent is that the first target that you gotta hold your long positions to is 77.50, 77.80. After they break that level of resistance, you gotta have 86 level as a target. My target right now is 83. Let's stay here. It's 83 over here. Because I expect that they try to break, they retest, they try to go up, they retest, and after they may give you a new maximum price. Okay, so I don't expect them to go straight to 85 level. I do expect that price will try to give us some steps. So they break the highest price, they come back to this level as a support level, they reach my target 83 level, they come back to this support level. So this is something that I see it will work. Okay, so if you have any questions about these ideas, you are welcome to ask them as well. And why I am waiting for Brent to go up, if you ask me that, that's something that based on technical idea as well. You can see upgoing tendency from May of last year, from May. So it's more than a year of upgoing tendency, and it's not finished yet. Now, price has been on the highest level from the last year, and they're trying to test it. If they don't show us sell signals, if they try to break this level of resistance, they will reach the 86 level. 83, and after that 86 level. Okay, what else is interesting for you? I think American indexes, because now they're going to go up. For example, S&P 500. I'm not planning to buy them right now, because still I want them to break the previous tendency. After they break those previous tendencies, we are okay to go and buy these instruments. I can show you on 4-hour chart. For example, S&P 500 looks like this. This is the tendency line from the highest price of this year, the tendency line, and here's the 200 moving average. Right now, price is trying to touch this level. Only after they break this area, we can discuss long positions, but not right now. If you go to Dow Jones, you can see that the tendency line was broken just like an hour ago, 2 hours ago. They broke this tendency line. After they break the tendency line, what do I expect for? Look here, we take the Fibonacci extension, we take the minimum price, next minimum price, and the middle price between them. The first target, they break, so this is the second target. They break the second target, this is the third target. And after the third target, we have 34,1990 target. So this is the fourth target. That's how it works. Why I do not buy right now in this moment? Because price is being near the third level of resistance, third target level. They may give us rebound, go back to the second target, and from here this will be good to enter. So only after they break the third line, or they come back to second one and go to the fourth line. So this is something that I'm gonna work. I want them to come back to 34,400 area, and if they give me a rebound here, okay, I will enter market with long positions. Or they break the current level of resistance. On 1 hour chart, they break it, so I'm okay to enter market with a target 35,000. Let's go to Nasdaq. If you enter market right now, you are on risk. Why? Because price is trying to test the 200 moving average. Until they don't break it, you don't enter market. On 1 hour chart, they're trying to break it. It's much better, but on 4 hour chart, they did not break it yet. And 4 hour chart and 200 average on 4 hour chart is stronger than on 1 hour chart. So until they do not start to go up and break the tendency, you do not enter market with long positions. About the Russell 2000, I like it a little bit more, and above this area 2230, I do like to buy with the target 2,330. So this is the technical picture that I see now, and this is something that I do like about the current trade situation. So if you have any questions, you're welcome to ask them. I want to remind you, guys, that I come back here on YouTube on English version, and I'm gonna make those short videos about the current trading situation based on technical research, only technical research, because this is something that gives you an opportunity to find a good entry point, buy some instrument, earn some money, fix your profit, go away. Only based on technical researches you will find a good entry point. Good means that this will be like more equal to the reversal point, to the rebound point. So this is something that I do like to trade. Only technical analytical researches help me to trade with a good entry points. I hope that you will understand what means rebound, what means the tendency line, what means the Fibonacci extension. If you want to trade, you also got to understand what means to use your money. It means like money management. You can't enter market with like $10,000 and trade on $10,000. This is a huge risk. So what do you have to understand? You have to know the technical researches, you have to understand the technical instruments by yourself, you have to understand the money management, the psychology as well, by the way, and I'm here to help you with all those ideas. So on a daily basis, I'm gonna share my ideas with you, and step by step, you get used how to trade, and it will become easier for you. I would give you an idea that it's okay to trade on 4-hour chart, or 1-hour chart. If you're not professional, it's a little bit it's hard to trade intraday and like 5-minute chart on 1-minute chart, but it's easy after you spend a year, 2 years, or 3 years here. And if you understand the technical analysis, if you understand the graphs here, you will easily earn money here. But you have to take time for yourself to understand how all those tendencies work. And you're welcome to stay here. I will help you to understand what's up with the markets. I hope you like what I do. Don't forget to put this thumbs up under the video, thumbs up of course, and write a comment under the video. And also, if you wanna see it on time, join the channel. If you have an opportunity to share my channel, you are welcome to do that. This will really help me. So see you later, guys. I finished this online. Bye bye.